Hello guys, welcome back again. This is another tutorial on C compiler. This is about machine learning, C machine learning. Now in this tutorial we're going to take you through how to create a program that will accept a number and then find the square and the square root of a number. Now let me start on with initializing my variables. That is, I initialize x and the square and also the root, that is to find the square root. For that I'm going to printf. Remember, you have to be conversant with the syntax of C compiler. This for printf, this printf is used to for printing the output, and then the brackets inside the bracket we will use a string that will be outputted by the printf. That is print that will tell the user what to enter your number. This is for the user to know which number he or she wants to input. Then can scan f comma x. We call our x from our keyboard. Then you close the semicolon, enter. Now at this point you can find your square, which is equals to x times x. You can close there. Then you can print f to print your answer. Your square is then you can call your answer inside at this particular point, comma, that is the you can call your square. You can run your program to see whether it will run as it is expected. Okay, that is very well. It will. Now you can put your square. Let's say that is 4. Our number is 4. It will find the square of 4, which is 16. Good. Now at this point you can also jump a line so that we can have some neatness in our program. Now we can also find the root, which is equals to sqrt, or that is sqrt x, to find the square root of that number. You have noticed that for the square root is a bit complex, so since you have to import some other things in our compiler, and I will show you how we are going to import it. We have imported our mathematical expressions, other expressions, using this line here, line 10. As if you can read in line 10 on top here where my mouse pointer is, we have hash include math.h. Now we can continue here to we can now print our root, that is your square root. Your square root is, that is a %d. Then you can call it again here, that %d. Then we can call our root here, comma x, comma then the root. Then we close at the end here. Then you can run it again and see it will give us some errors. Okay, it has done us some great job. We are now going to input our number here. We can input number 25. Since 25 has can find the square, which is 625, and the square root is 5. Now we can run, or we can put enter, so that okay, good. Now our compiler is telling us that your square is 625 and your square root is 25. Guys, the next tutorial I'm going to show you on a method that we are going to use, so that when we input our first number, the compiler will loop. It will allow us to put the first number, another number, and another number. Since in this tutorial we are just calling our first number, and then the compiler ends everything. The program finishes with an exit code 0. This means you cannot enter anything else now. But in the next tutorial, ensure that you watch the next tutorial so that you can know how our program will allow the user to input more than one number, or more than one number or many numbers, so that we can create a good program. Guys, consider subscribing to my channel and drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you guys.